Choosing the perfect motherboard for your Ryzen 7 9800X3D can make your gaming PC. With new AM5 boards offering faster DDR5 speeds, stronger VRMs, PCIe 5.0 expansion, advanced cooling, and smarter AI tuning than ever. To help you build the ultimate setup, here are the top 5 best motherboards for Ryzen 7 9800X3D, which we selected carefully based on performance, stability, and upgrade potential. Be sure to check the links in the description for the best deals on all the models we cover. The fifth product on our list is the MSI Mag B850 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi. The MSI Mag B850 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi is the best balanced and budget AM5 motherboard you can buy. It's designed to give you high-end performance for Ryzen 7000, 8000, and even the latest Ryzen 9000 processors, without jumping into extreme flagship pricing. With its 14-phase 80A SPS VRM, server-grade PCB, and dual 8-pin CPU power connectors, you get clean and stable power delivery, perfect for gaming, productivity, or handling AI workloads. Plus, MSI's Core Boost and premium thermal pads keep everything running cool and efficient during long sessions. You'll love how future-ready it is. You get DDR5 support up to 8,400 plus megatransfers per second, a reinforced PCIe 5.0 x 16 slot for modern GPUs, and 4 M.2 slots, including 2 blazing fast Gen 5 x 4 slots for next-gen SSDs. And thanks to Easy M.2, Shield Frozer 2, and Easy Clip, installing or upgrading storage is quick and tool-free. Connectivity is another major win. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 5 gigabit LAN, and a fast USB 20 gigabit Type-C port on the rear. You also get strong onboard audio with Audio Boost 5, giving you cleaner and richer sound whether you're gaming or streaming. While it doesn't try to compete with ultra-premium boards, that's what makes it so appealing. You get the ideal blend of performance, cooling, storage, and connectivity at a very sensible price. Looking to build a powerful, future-proof AM5 system that's perfectly balanced for most users? This motherboard might be the perfect choice. The fourth place on our list is the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is the best value for money mid-range AM5 motherboard you can get. It packs the power, performance, and features you need for a modern Ryzen 7000, 8000, or even 9000 series build. With its twin 14 plus 2 plus 1 digital VRM design, 70A power stages, and an 8-layer 2x copper PCB, you're getting stable, reliable power delivery for gaming, content creation, or everyday productivity. And with support for fast DDR5 Expo and XMP memory, you'll be able to squeeze out every bit of speed from your RAM. You'll love how well equipped it is for thermals. Fully covered MOSFET heat sinks, a 6mm heat pipe, and an M.2 thermal guard keep temps in check, even when you're pushing PCIe 5.0 SSDs. Speaking of storage, you get PCIe 5.0 NVMe support, plus easy latch on both the PCIe and M.2 slots, making upgrades completely screwless and hassle-free. Connectivity is another big win. Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN, front and rear USB-C including USB 3.2, Gen 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.0. For audio, GIGABYTE includes high-grade capacitors for cleaner, richer sound. And if you enjoy personalizing your setup, you get RGB fusion, addressable RGB headers, SmartFan 6 controls, and a multi-key you can assign for direct-to-BIOS, safe mode, or RGB switching. With QFlash Plus, you can update your BIOS without installing a CPU, RAM, or GPU. If you want to build a powerful, future-ready AM5 system on a smart budget, this motherboard can be the best value mid-range upgrade for you. The third product on our list is the ASUS TUF Gaming X870 Plus Wi-Fi. The ASUS TUF Gaming X870 Plus is the strongest all-rounder in the X series for Ryzen 7 9800X3D motherboards. It's built to give your Ryzen 7 9800X3D or any Ryzen 9000, 8000, or 7000 CPU a stable, powerful platform that delivers performance without overpaying for extreme features you may never use. With its durable 16+2+1 power stages, 80 ASPS design, and an 8-layer PCB, you're getting clean, consistent power delivery for gaming, streaming, or AI workloads. Add ASUS AI features like AI overclocking, AI cooling to 2, and AEMP, and you get smarter performance tuning with almost zero effort. You'll appreciate how future-ready it is too. You get 4 M.2 slots, including 2 PCIe 5.0 slots, along with a full PCIe 5.0 x 16 slot for your GPU. Whether you're dropping in a fast Gen 5 SSD or building a long-term upgrade path, this board keeps you covered. Connectivity is strong on all fronts. Wi-Fi 7, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, dual USB 440 gigabit per second ports, USB 20 gigabit per second Type-C, HDMI 2.1, and loads of USB ports for peripherals. And with tough military-grade components, reinforced PCIe Q release, and long-lasting capacitors, you're getting reliability that holds up over years of gaming. While it doesn't go ultra-premium like the ROG Crosshair line, that's the point. You get powerful performance, next-gen features, and rock-solid stability without jumping to flagship pricing. Looking to build a strong, future-proof Ryzen 7 9800X 3D system without overspending? This motherboard might be the smartest all-rounder upgrade for you. The second product on our list is the ASUS ROG Crosshair X870E Hero. The ASUS ROG Crosshair X870E Hero is the flagship-level, feature-packed motherboard for enthusiasts. It's designed to unlock the full power of AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, giving you a next-level PC platform that's ready for AI, heavy productivity, and extreme gaming. With its 18+2+2 power stages, premium metallic components, and ProCool 2 connectors, you're getting rock-solid power delivery even under heavy overclocks. Pair that with ASUS-exclusive tech like AI overclocking, AI cooling to 2, Core Flex, and Dynamic OC Switcher, and you're not just building a PC, you're tuning a performance beast with ease. For thermals, the board comes loaded with massive heat sinks, an L-shaped heat pipe, and high conductivity pads to keep your VRMS and M.2 drives chilled. Speaking of storage, you get 3 PCI 5.0 M.2 slots and 2 PCI 4.0 slots, all with robust cooling, perfect for next-gen SSDs hitting insane speeds. Connectivity is stacked, dual USB 4, Type-C, USB 20 gigabits per second front panel with Quick Charge 4+, up to 60 watts, HDMI, Slim SAS, and dual PCIe 5.0 x 16 safe slots. Networking? You're covered with Wi-Fi 7, Intel 2.5 gigabit LAN, and Realtek 5 gigabit LAN for ultra-fast, low-latency performance. And if you love easy building, this board spoils you with PCIe Q Release Slim, M.2 Q Latch, Q Antenna, Q Code, Q LED, BIOS Flashback, Clear CMOS, and a pre-installed I/O shield. Everything designed for a smooth DIY experience. Looking to build a premium, AI-ready, future-proof PC? This motherboard might be the flagship centerpiece that pushes your entire setup to the next level. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. The Mag X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi gaming motherboard is the best overall X-series board for a broad range of builds that you can pick for your next Ryzen build. It's made to give you fast performance, rock-solid stability, and next-gen connectivity, all without blowing your budget. Supporting Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, this board gives you a smooth upgrade path and plenty of future-proof headroom. You get DDR5 support up to 8400 plus MHz OC, which means faster load times, better multitasking, and the kind of responsiveness gamers and creators instantly notice. It combined with MSI's extended heatsink design and optimized power delivery, your CPU can run at full speed without breaking a sweat. You'll also love how connected this board is. It features Lightning USB 40 GB, which gives you ultra-fast 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds, perfect for high-resolution work files, fast external SSDs, and modern accessories. Also, M.2 Gen 5, PCIe 5.0, and 5 gigabit per second LAN make this a beast for gaming, streaming, and heavy productivity. And with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, your wireless speeds stay at the top of the pack. For immersion, MSI's Audio Boost 5 delivers cleaner, richer sound thanks to isolated audio components, great for competitive gaming or cinematic experiences. And yes, the MAG series stays true to its military-inspired durability, giving you a sturdy, reliable motherboard built to last. Whether you're building a powerful gaming rig, upgrading for work, or stepping into next-gen PC performance, the X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi gives you premium features with the best overall balance of value and power. Looking for a dependable, high-performance motherboard that covers everything without overcomplicating your build? This one might just be your smartest pick. That's all for our list of the top 5 best motherboards for Ryzen 7 9800X3D on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.